Hey, it's Rayma, Infinite's biggest fan.
And it's Victoria, B.A.P's biggest fan.
She's a baby, I'm an in-spirit, but somehow we make it work. And I've been hearing some talk of a certain group trying to come in and, steal the spotlight from Infinite. So apparently B.A.P thought it would just be okay to release their new video like the day after Infinite, as if people would care. But hey, apparently some people do. So we're going to watch Hurricane and tell you how we feel about it.
Okay, I cannot wait for this. Like, do you understand all my emotions that are happening? I mean, like, oh my god. Like, everybody looks so attractive in these teaser photos. Like, I about lost it when I saw Daehyun and Youngjae and Jungkook and Himchan and Zello and Jungkook.
Yes. So let's get it started.
Oh my god!
Sure.
What are you doing? Oh, Youngjae! Oh my god! Oh my god, I'm done now! I can't! Oh my god, no, I can't! Oh my god, I can't breathe! Oh my god!
I am not a fan of this hair.
I'm lightheaded right now. Oh my god. Why did you show booty right now? Oh my Leo! Why? Oh my god!
This is not.
Gold tight things! Stop! Oh my god! No, Zello, I don't need it! Oh my god, what is disgusting! Oh my god, oh my... No! Not acceptable! Really, song is all over the place. Oh my... What is that? Oh my god. What is... I can't... No! Stay over there! Oh my god, that just happened. Oh my god.
Wow.
I can't do this. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
how did you feel about that video?
Oh my god. Everybody looked so great. I was like distraught when I first saw Himchan's hair in the photo, but oh my god, up in the video though. Oh my god. Oh my god. Like, okay, I don't understand why we're wearing shiny gold tight pants. Like, why are you doing this? And then what is Zello doing? All of this friggin' thrusting and Jong-up. Just, I don't even, like, Jungkook, oh my god, okay. Like, oh my god. The raps that were happening in this video destroyed anything that was thinking even about, like, ovaries! Oh my god!
I don't even like.
I'm not gonna ever become pregnant because I have no ovaries! Like, oh my god, this is so much for me to handle! Like, oh my god, like David's voice, like, oh my god, and then Young Jae was looking so nice. Oh my god, I am losing it. Oh my god.
I didn't even.
I don't. I can't. I seriously thought I was gonna pass out.
Oh my gosh. I was also worried for your safety. For a minute there, I didn't think she was breathing, but. I guess we can go ahead and conclude that for babies, this video was awesome.
Himchan in a car, like.
So.
His forearms! Oh my god! I don't even.
Since I'm sure you guys don't want to watch more squealing.
I can't. I don't. Like, I'm gonna need to watch this for the rest of my life because I can't process this right. I can't.
And that was B.A.P's Hurricane.
Oh my god.
Their,
So amazing!
I'm not even sure what that means, but their hurricane.
Oh my god. Like, I am going through a freaking hurricane. Oh my god. Oh my.
No.
My nether regions right now. Okay, like, I can't.
Wow. And that's that, I guess. So, I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm just going to go ahead and apologize now because I know that your eardrums are probably hurting from all of her squealing. So, hopefully next time we'll have actual things to say.
Tumblr, here I come. It's reblogging time. Like,
see you guys later.